Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Binance app. First, download the official Binance application from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and choose to register using your email address or phone number. You'll then receive a 6-digit verification code to confirm your contact information. Enter this code to proceed with your initial account setup. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This step is crucial for unlocking all features and increasing your transaction limits. You'll be asked to provide personal details, upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, and complete a quick facial verification scan. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, immediately. You can choose between Google Authenticator or SMS verification for this extra layer of protection. Also, ensure your password is robust, containing at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This significantly strengthens your account's defense. Finally, it's time to fund your Binance account. You have several convenient options, including linking a bank account for direct deposits or using a debit or credit card for instant purchases. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrency from another wallet directly into your new Binance account. Choose the method that best suits your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.